Retailers generate enormous amount of behavioral data with each user click or action on the web page, what's called Clickstream data. Traditional systems collect all of it, run it through complex data transformation pipelines, and then activate workflows to figure out whether certain actions might uncover a purchase the customer seems interested in. By the time that process completes, the session is over. But modern retail works differently. Instead of analyzing what happened, it reacts to what's happening, triggering different actions in your own experience, based on your own behavior in that session at that moment. And that's what customer retention really means, keeping customers buying and keeping them from switching to somewhere else. And in this video, we're going to see exactly how to get there. We're going to walk you through a real demo, showing how to combine data processing in motion with Atlas Stream processing to convert raw clickstream into behavioral signals. And from there, automatically trigger a next best action agent when a signal that matters appears. This agent draws on the full context: customer data, catalog, inventory, promotions, turning what could have been a lost session into conversion. Now, all the data you need to create this experience can live in the same place. Atlas Stream Processing brings the full power of MongoDB's query language, or MQL, to data in motion. That means you can connect to your existing event infrastructure like Kafka, AWS Kinesis, Azure Event Hubs, or stream directly from Mongo and process those events using the same query language you already use for data at rest. With Atlas Stream Processing, you can filter, transform, aggregate, or run custom logic all in the stream before anything hits your database. And that same platform is also where your operational data lives: product catalog, customer profiles, inventory, promotions. MongoDB stores structured and unstructured data, vector embeddings, and provides built-in semantic search and full text search, all natively, all in one single place. That's what we call an intelligence data layer, a single platform where your agent has instant access to all the context it needs to make a smart decision. No extra hops, no data pipelines to keep in sync, no context engineering overhead moving data between systems. That's what lets development teams spend their time building intelligent experiences, not maintaining complicated infrastructure. Now, let me show you what it looks like in practice. Let me browse as a customer would. I land on the store and start exploring. I search for shoes, broad, no specific idea yet, and start clicking through the catalog. Different styles, different brands. I know that I want shoes, but I'm still figuring out exactly what. Watch the first panel. Every click stream into MongoDB instantly. Product views, searches, heartbeats every 10 seconds, keeping the session alive. Raw events, one after another. Fast, noisy, and by itself, it doesn't tell you much. Now, watch the second panel. After just a few seconds of browsing, Atlas Stream Processing produces its first diagnosis: search friction. The system has been reading every event as it arrives and building a structured picture of my behavior. And what it seems is that my attention is concentrated at the category level of shoes, but I am exploring too many products without converging on any of them. No add to cart, choice overload. Now watch the third panel. The agent responds immediately. A discount recommendation, not a generic promo, but a node designed specifically for a customer who is interested but stuck. Now, I narrow my focus down. I start coming back to the same 2 or 3 products, viewing them again and again, comparing. My behavior is shifting. Second panel, the signal changes. High intent. The system detects where my attention is focusing the same products over and over across multiple behavioral snapshots. And that shift in attention pattern is enough to change the diagnosis completely. The agent responds with a social proof notification. highlighting what other customers are looking at in the same category I've been focusing on. The right message for someone who is zeroing in but hasn't committed yet. I keep comparing, and now I add one to cart. The signal updates. High intent again, this time driven by the cart action. Adding to the cart carries more weight in our behavior detection model because it is a stronger signal of intent than a product view alone. The agent reinforces the decision with another social proof notification. Now I hesitate. I move towards the exit risk. And this time, the agent doesn't push a product at all. It removes the friction, a shipping discount, just the nudge I needed to make up my mind. And you know what? I already have something in my cart, and that offer landed at exactly the right moment. Right category, right timing. Let's go ahead and check out. This is what we wanted to show you. Data in motion, analyzed in real time, turned into a hyper-personalized experience, one that met this customer at every moment of their hesitation and guided them all the way to conversion. That's real-time retention. Now let's look at what's actually running under the hood. The e-commerce app generates events with every customer interaction. In this demo, those events get stored in MongoDB, and Atlas Stream Processing connects to that collection via ChangeStream, which exposes each new document as a real-time event source. Now, we chose this architecture for the demo, but those same raw events could come directly from, for example, Kafka, Azure Event Hubs, AWS Kinesis, or Google PubSub. Atlas Stream Processing connects to all of them natively. As those events flow into Atlas Stream Processing, we apply two stages of processing to detect behavioral signals. The first stage separates and structures the data by session. It builds a live summary of session memory and the key behavioral data we need for the intent model we designed for this customer retention domain. The second stage takes the structured data and analyzes it to detect the signals that matter to us. In this case, our search friction, purchase intent, and exit risk. Each one at different severity levels. Both stages store their procedure results inside MongoDB. And when a signal is detected, a change stream fires, and our next best action agent can react in real time. That processed output could also be sent as a sync to Kafka or an external function if your architecture needs it. But in our case, it lands inside MongoDB. And change streams are what make the agent react instantly to the signals that matter, instead of having an agent consuming raw data all the time and burning unnecessary compute. The agent then takes all of the context it has available inside MongoDB, like the catalog, customer profiles, promotions, business rules, and generates a new next best action. That next best action gets picked up by the front end and shown to the customer who is still navigating in near real time, exactly as we just saw on the demo. Now, let's double-click on the stream processing layer. Looking at this diagram, you can see how data flows through Atlas Stream Processing. Raw events land in the Events Ingest collection. ASP number 1, the session state builder, reads from there via source, and every 10 seconds collapses those events into a single structured snapshot per session, written to the session state collection via merge. And if any events arrive malformed or unexpected, they do not get dropped. They get routed to a dead letter queue collection for debugging later. That session state then becomes the source for the second stage. ASP number 2 runs 3 stream processors in parallel, one for each behavioral signal. In our case, it is high intent, search friction, and exit risk. The output of ASP number 1 feeds directly into ASP number 2. The sync of one is the source of the other. Each processor evaluates patterns every 30-second window and writes a signal document to the session signal collection when something meaningful is detected. When a signal lands in the session signals collection, a change stream wakes up the next best action agent immediately. It reads live session context from the session state collection and combines it with everything else available inside MongoDB: customer profile, catalogs, promotions, business rules. All of it as structured JSON documents, ready to query, secure, and scalable. Vector search, powered by Voyage AI embeddings, handle catalog lookup, finding products semantically relevant to what this customer is interested in, not just keyword matching. The agent reasons with an LLM, uses MCP to orchestrate its tools, and writes the next best action back to MongoDB. And the front end picks up the new entry for each session instantly. This is the intelligence data layer. What makes this architecture simple to build, simple to operate, and fast enough to matter. If you want to explore this solution in even more detail, we have linked all the resources related to the solution inside the description box down below. You can get started with MongoDB Atlas free trial today. On behalf of the retail industry solution experts that worked for this solution, thank you for watching and see you in the next one.